Welcome to Blessing. This is Rekha. So in today's session, we'll see for Selenium with Java, what are the software that we need it and where we can find those. Also like how do we install that and how do we configure Selenium with Java. Okay, here basically we need three things. One is we need an editor. When I say as an editor, you can take Eclipse. Okay, you can take IntelliJ. Okay, it's your choice, but I'll be choosing here Eclipse because it is user friendly, I feel. Okay, second one is we need a Selenium standalone server. I'll show you guys like where we can find this. Third one is browsers, Chrome drive, all drivers we need. Okay, drivers in the sense it is a Chrome driver or a Internet Explorer driver or a Edge driver, whichever the browser you want to use, those drivers where to find. Okay, all drivers. So here basically I'll be focusing on Chrome driver as of now, because I'll be initially showing you guys like how to launch, how to do everything on the Chrome browser. Later part, once we are familiar with the Chrome browser, we can go with other browsers. All right. Okay, so now we'll see editor where we can install this. So we need Eclipse, right? Eclipse download. Click on this link. Okay. Okay, here the one I'll be taking the latest version of Eclipse. Click on this download. Okay, click on this download as well. Okay, once you'll find a download bar here, it is loading as if now. That thing I have covered in my other video, like see now the exe file is getting downloaded. I have shown in other video. I'll link that video to this. Okay, you can just follow those steps in order to download an Eclipse. So this is the link basically in order to download Eclipse. Okay, I'll be providing you this link in the description box. Okay, second one, now whenever you install something, keep it in one folder. Okay, it is getting downloaded because it is 130 MB. It will take lots of time. Okay, just keep it in download mode. Next, we need the Selenium standalone server, right? I'll just search for Selenium standalone server. Okay, and I'll be finding that www.selenium.dev. Click on this link. Okay, here, this is the link. Okay, I'll provide you this link as well. Okay, just come down because I'll be taking the most stable version which I have been using. Okay, click on the previous releases. Okay, just click on this here. Here, I'll be using, because these are alpha, beta version and all, latest version of Selenium was released like before. I think it has been just a month, but I'm not sure what are the bugs or is it stable or not. So I want to go with the version which I have been using and which I'm sure on. So that is 3.141.59. This was the most stable version of Selenium. Okay, before Selenium 4. Okay, 3.141.59. So you will have to keep in mind. Here, I'll be working on Chrome browser, I said, right? So I'll be taking this one, Selenium server standalone 3.141.59.char. Just click on this. Okay, let it get downloaded. Okay, this also is getting downloaded. So let it get downloaded so that we can keep in one folder and we'll configure them. Okay. Now close it because this was the Selenium which I wanted. Selenium standalone server 3.141.59.char. I have downloaded. I have downloaded Eclipse, two things. Now, third thing, what is left? I have a Chrome driver. I said, right? Because I'll be launching everything on the Chrome browser. So before downloading a Chrome browser, the first thing we'll have to do is go to a Chrome setting. Okay, settings. Go to About Chrome. Okay, here you have, see which version of Chrome you're using. version is 95.0.4638.69. This is your 95 version you're using, right? This is the most updated one, I think. Now I need a Chrome driver download. So I need a Chrome driver because I want to launch everything on the Chrome browser, I said, right? So click on this link. I'll provide you this link as well. Okay. Okay. Now you guys saw, I showed you in my Chrome, in my setting, my version was 95. Accordingly, I'll have to take the compatible drivers. Now, see, it is saying here clearly, if you are using a Chrome version of 95, please download this driver. Okay, click on this. Okay, here, if you're using a Mac and all, you can go for other things. But if you're using a Windows, just go for this last before last wala option. Okay, Chrome driver win32.zip. This one. If you're using a Linux, Mac and all, that is a different story. For Windows, blindly take this one. Download this as well. Okay. This is what the download part is. Now we have three things like Selenium standalone server, Chrome browser, right? One is Eclipse. So these are taking time to get it downloaded. Okay, now download is complete and I have my Selenium standalone server, which I've copied and kept it in one folder because I want to keep all the software, whichever I install, I want to keep it in one place so that it will be easy for me to configure. Okay, Chrome driver, which I downloaded, I'll just extract here. Okay, once you extract here, I have already extracted. So only here